I'm going to explain how anyone in the UK can make well over £1,000 extra cash with very little effort. So far, I've earned over £1,400 for less than 3 hours work. Firstly, if you use the link in the description to sign up, you'll automatically get a £5 bonus once you've earned £10 cashback. When you've signed up, you'll be able to see what offers are available. You don't need to do anything at this point other than remember that this website exists. I've got 3 tips to maximise your earnings. Number 1, the easiest and largest payments come from utilities. You have to pay for them anyway, so you might as well get cashback. On occasions, the cashback I've received has paid for the service that I was going to use anyway, and given me money to spare. I got my internet with BT and got £126 cashback, £99.75 when I moved to Sky, £84 for TalkTalk, £50 here and there for switching my insurance or energy providers. Things that I was going to do anyway. Whenever it comes to a renewal, think cashback. Services like your gas and electricity, phone, broadband, TV providers, mobile phone, online shopping, food shopping if you do it online, mortgage, car insurance, life insurance. All these things result in really high payouts on Topcashback. Basically, just think if you're buying anything online, check Topcashback. Put a post-it note on your debit card and credit card if it helps you. Number 2, there's literally a browser extension to remind you if you think you're going to forget to go through the website. It works on Firefox as well as Chrome and automatically checks the website that you're on to see if it's eligible for cashback. I'll put the link in the description so you can install it. Number 3, you can use your favourite comparison site to find the best deals and then go to Topcashback to see what offers are available and choose the ones that will give you the most money. In fact, I will show you a quick example. We'll do broadband because it's quite easy, they don't require many details. It's told me that right now Vodafone is one of the cheapest providers available. Most people click through this link, but we're going to go on Topcashback and just type in Vodafone instead. They've got an offer available that will give us £90 cashback for signing up to the service. All we need to do is click this link and sign up as normal. Now, instead of the comparison website getting a payout for referring you, the money goes into your account, which quickly adds up and you'll be making hundreds without any effort at all. They've got offers on the front page that are updated daily, but I only ever use the website to search for what I'm going to buy anyway. I've not even spent 3 hours on the website in the entire time that I've used it, and that includes taking part in competitions and recording this video. My actual use is probably closer to about 30 minutes. Right now, in August 2020, as I record this, we're in the middle of a pandemic due to the coronavirus. If you're watching this in the future, hopefully it's been resolved. It doesn't feel like there's going to be an end to it right now. But the UK is officially in recession for the first time in 11 years. And yet, so many people are missing out on this really easy money. If you know someone that's been affected, please send them the video because it is a shame to miss out on this free cash. And if you're interested in passive income, check out my other videos because this channel is dedicated to teaching people to generate their own income. This is mainly through print on demand because there's no money up front, no stock, and no risk. Thank you for watching. This video was sponsored by nobody. So if you found it helpful, you now have a moral obligation to gently tap the like button so that the YouTube algorithm helps more people find my content. Cheers.